as of the 90s, we started to in the robotisation of the dairy farm. First of all with our astronaut milking robot systems, which is well known by now. And we keep on inventing new solutions to the farmers, like automatic feeding behind me, or grass harvesting, cleaning floors and all that kind of stuff. Everything robotic. For us it is clear it's our bread and butter because we really see, so we have a labor shortage worldwide. Less and less people are attracted to agriculture. It's even from the worker side, but also from the engineering side. And I think really with the step of automation, we make it enjoyable again. So really that people want to work in this industry, and there's a lot of technology involved. Always, all the time, if I speak to people outside of ag, they are surprised how high technology we use in our daily operations. Sustainability, of course, we have to we consider how we use the resources, and this is where the data, I think, plays a major role. What we can do with our robots, or with measuring the environment, we can far more better make fact-based decisions instead of belly feeling or gut feeling, or so we really based on facts, and then can calculate what is the best choice measured on impact on any sort. So for the sustainable development, robots are a must-have. We came to the FIRA with a couple of collaborators or startups that we work with, especially to create for them as well the forum to introduce what they do for us, they can also do for other companies. I really think that we need to be far more open in sharing knowledge and use competences of each other. This is why a part of the development we do not do ourselves. We have startups or other companies that help us developing. And if they get this platform, the World FIRA, to get in contact with other companies and work for them, it will only enrich them and make also our solutions that we use in our machines, will make them better. It's always good. What we like as Lely about FIRA is that we are among manufacturers. So we all face the same challenges. So we can learn from each other. So it's really interesting to see also how other sectors deal with a certain problem, what they saw as a solution. And it can always bring ideas. And of course it's a part of employer branding. Van hey, look at how fancy the fancy things that we do. Why don't you come and work at Lely?